You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and this filling in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here, all my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a super hot topic to discuss, and that is why is everyone moving to Florida? So we're gonna dive into the top 10 not so obvious reasons why we think everyone's moving to the Sunshine State. But if you would, go ahead and like this video, guys, and subscribe to our channel so that you never have to miss an update from us.
Reason number 10, educational opportunities. Florida has a wide range of educational institutions for students of all ages.
They do. So I think it's a great state to really learn and grow in. They have great schools from elementary level to right up through colleges and universities.
Yeah, and we have a lot of opportunities for students to get their college paid for before they ever even get there.
Oh, that's one of my favorite things. So yeah, if you're a high school student in Florida, there are so many opportunities to earn free college credits and even the opportunity to graduate high school with an associate's degree. It's just incredible. All right, reason number 9 is sports and recreation. Florida is a haven for sports enthusiasts, and being able to practice and play here year-round, I believe, is a huge benefit for athletes.
Absolutely, from golf to water sports, Major League Baseball. Major League Baseball alone. So you have the Grapefruit League here that's got 15 Major League Baseball teams that play all in and around Florida. You have 3 NFL teams, and then we have 2 world-renowned hockey teams that are really well known. And so yeah, tons of sports here.
Lots of variety.
Okay, reason number 8, low cost of living. Quit rolling your eyes. What we mean by low cost of living is when you take Florida and you compare it to other tropical states like California or Hawaii, Florida still has a lower cost of living.
Yes, definitely. Your dollar stretches a lot further in the Sunshine State, whether it's prices of homes, taxes, all of that. I'm pretty sure we blow the other tropical states away. Reason
number 7, natural beauty. Florida is filled with many wildlife viewing opportunities and many natural wonders.
Yeah, one of our favorites is the Great Calusa Blueway, which is a 190-mile saltwater paddling trail that runs along the mangroves and the sugary sand beaches of Fort Myers.
Reason number 6, Florida's job market. Florida's economy is on fire, offering plenty of job opportunities in many industries.
Yes, in fact, Florida's private sector of employment grew by over 277,000 in July of 2023. All right, that brings us to reason number 5, and that is cultural diversity. So Florida is a huge melting pot of people from everywhere, all kinds of different backgrounds and cultures, and we have some really delicious cuisines because of that from many different places.
Absolutely, we have a lot of people from Germany, the United Kingdom, Canada, but let's talk about the Cubans, because we love Cuban food and Cuban coffee.
And Cuban pastries.
Cuban pastries, that's right. And some of my favorite places to get Cuban food is Miami and Key West.
We have some great Cuban food around here too.
Absolutely.
All right, reason number 4, this is a good one, the weather, guys. So the climate here in Florida is incredible, particularly here in Southwest Florida, where we get to wear shorts and flip-flops year-round.
Yes, sunshine year-round here. In fact, Florida is known for having over 300 days of sunshine each year, which is one of the top in the country. And that is probably the main reason we moved from Northern Kentucky, to get away from that gray and gloom that seemed to plague us all year long.
All right, reason number 3. So this is a good one. Florida is a no income tax state, meaning we do not pay income taxes on our wages in the state of Florida, and that means that you get to keep more of your hard-earned money in your own pockets.
Now that's a game changer for me. Reason number 2, the amusement parks. Florida is known for having many varieties of theme parks, from Universal Studios, Busch Gardens, Walt Disney World, and many more.
Yeah, and having a lot of theme parks is a huge perk, guys, especially for families with little kids. Florida also has a ton of water parks as well.
Okay, let's talk about reason number 1, and that's the beaches. Florida is known for its stunning coastline and miles of sandy beaches and crystal clear waters.
It's definitely the beaches for me, guys. I think Florida has some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, including Siesta Key, Key Wade Island, Cayo Costa State Park, and the Emerald Coast are a few of our favorites.
Absolutely. So there you have it, folks. There's the top 10 reasons why it seems like everyone is moving to Florida. Whether it's the beautiful beaches, the weather, theme parks, whatever it is, Florida has something for everyone.
They do, guys. And if you've already moved to Florida or you're thinking about moving to Florida, we would love to hear from you in the comments and learn what your reasons are.
And of course, don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and please share it with someone if you think they would find it valuable too. We certainly appreciate you watching.
And we'll see you in paradise.
You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here, all my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet.